The best one I've come across is the UN's definition of sustainability, which is, if I can remember it off the top of my head, meeting the needs of today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs.
When we created AVoIPoE, it was around the three messages that we wanted to do. Is that from a design perspective, to ensure that you can save energy, save time, and save money, because you're using PoE at the design stage rather than that afterthought. And to your point, AV in general has always been an afterthought, and it needs to be implemented at the design phase with the architects.
We need to start right from the get-go with really stage zero. How sustainable is this building going to be? What's the AV deployment going to look like?
How that space changes over time. One of the things with AVoIP enables you to be able to be really flexible and change the configuration of the room, as required. So if it's a lecture theatre, 1 minute it can be a classroom the next. And that's the kind of flexibility that AVoIP gives you. One of the projects that we worked on is a project in Norway, and we were able to bring down so what we chose for them was a system based on Finland's PoE devices, and they were looking at all these facilities that were using normal desktop computers. We were able to bring down 43% of their energy use through the use of these PoE++ devices.
What the best solution is for their situation? Is it best to go straight to an integrator and then employing a consultant, or even just kind of mix it all up along with your own research as well?
Actually, so there's something that Ryan and I, my colleague, have been working on for the last couple of years. We're probably about a month away from developing a pilot program. We're calling it Broadtek Marketplace, and it's essentially a platform with software as well as content that enables you to get more information. So the work that we normally do with our customers, we're democratizing that because we're creating a curated way, a workflow based on AVoIPoE workflows, and demonstrating and providing all of that information through that one place. If we're talking at scale, that's where AVoIP comes into play. Smaller, if you're doing one room, just go point to point. It's a lot easier, it's going to be more cost effective. There's also structured cabling that you have to think of. If this facility's only got Cat5 cabling, you can only, get a 1 gig signal over it. So you can't put an SDVoE system, for example, in that facility. So there are certain drawbacks. It is not the answer to everything. So a lot of it does depend on the requirement of the facility and the requirement of the end user, actually.
Come on, y'all remember my name. DJ Woody.